In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PowerPoint in OneNote. If you ever find yourself needing to integrate PowerPoint presentations with your OneNote notes, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student who wants to incorporate lecture slides into notes, or you're a professional making detailed meeting records, embedding PowerPoint in OneNote can be a game changer. Let's dive into this simple yet effective process. First things first, you'll need to open OneNote on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to store the presentation and focus on the correct notebook and section. Once you're there, navigate to the specific page where you want those slides to appear. This step is crucial because embedding your PowerPoint in the right spot ensures everything stays organized and accessible. With your OneNote page ready, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the app, known as the ribbon. Be sure to find and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll discover all kinds of media adding options. It's what allows you to bring different files, images, and other digital content into your notes, transforming them from simple text into a multimedia experience. Under the Insert tab, you'll notice a button labeled File Printout. If your PowerPoint file happens to be saved as a PDF, you might see PDF Printout instead. Choose this button. It's your gateway to embedding that PowerPoint. What this option does is essentially take your PowerPoint and insert it into your OneNote page as if you were printing each slide. Once you press that button, a file navigation window will appear. Here, you need to locate your PowerPoint file. Make sure it's a .pptx file so that it seamlessly integrates into OneNote. Select the file you're targeting. Clicking Insert will set the magic in motion. After inserting it, you'll see three things pop up on your OneNote page. First, there will be an icon of the PowerPoint file. This serves as a handy visual reference, reminding you of the file's presence and origin. Right next to it, you'll find a link to the file, allowing you to open and review the original presentation directly from OneNote with ease. Most impressively, you'll now see an image of every slide neatly laid out one after the other. This makes it super simple for you to scroll through, review, and interact with the content directly on your OneNote page. One of the best parts about this setup is the ability to take notes right next to the slides. You can annotate, draw, or type directly on the slide images, letting you enrich your notes with personal insights or additional information needed for your projects or studies. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your PowerPoint presentation into OneNote. This blend of tools is perfect for creating an interactive hub of information that's easy to navigate and embellish with your unique notes. Give it a try and see how it can make your workflow more efficient and powerful.